can do the Fiberwhip spinners also around your legs. This is a bit trickier to get the momentum going while the fibers hit the ground, so it's not just this lasso spin, but when you're wrapping around here, it can easily happen that you hit the floor and that breaks the spin of the fibers. They work basically the same way as the horizontal ones, just vertical. Start with the handle here on the silver side. So what you're doing is to spin your fibers inwards, and then you lift your leg. It doesn't matter which one it is, it works for both. And really give a lot of energy in that spin, that the fibers really come around your leg, and then you catch. On this side I always have to turn the handle a little around to present it like this, but you catch the fibers. The fiber end is at the front of the handle end, and then you can give the handle a little push and you can spin the whip by the fibers. Again, you end up with a rather long grip, so for the next move either you choose one where you can really need this extra length, or you just cut in and shorten your whip with the next move. Once again, you're spinning your whip here, around and catch, and let go and spin the whip by the fibers. For the catching, the first time you catch, you probably end up in the reverse grip, with the handle end coming out of the pinky side. You can use this, for example, for elbow spins. There's the reverse grip, quite versatile, but maybe more often you want to catch in a forwards grip. For this spin, then you make sure that the fibers, when they come around, not only around your leg, but already around your whole arm, around your whole hand. So you don't catch like this, the thumb on your body side of the whip and the fiber sticking out there, but the whole hand is underneath, and then you can turn your hand around like this and you're in a forwards grip. I want to show it again, like so. First, complete hand underneath and then turn it around. And you can spin in the forwards grip. Other hand, spinning inwards, around the leg, catch. Once again, let the fibers here come over the whole hand. You can turn the hand around and catch here in the forwards grip. When you got that, give the handle a push and spin the whip by the fibers. Either in a move where you can really need the extra length, or something else where you can shorten the whip for the whatever you want to do next. Once again for this side, spinning inwards, either catch in the reverse grip. You can totally do this for maybe mixing up a little stuff like the elbow spins, or you catch at the forwards grip and do maybe neck spins or whatever you want to do.